Hey folks, I recently saw this really interesting 3D printed medium format camera on Kickstarter. I wrote to them and they sent me out this prototype for me to check out for myself. I actually got the camera in mid-May. They sent it out with a 65 and a 135mm lens, and I've already taken it out to shoot a couple of rolls of film in rural New South Wales. You can see the behind the scenes of those shoot days over at Patreon Uncut. Now, the interesting thing about this guy is not that it's reasonably small and light, it's the variety of different formats it lets you capture. This guy will let you shoot 6x6 all the way through to panoramic 6x17 on a single roll of film because it has a variable film gate built into this guy. And the different ratios let you capture some really distinct looks. Let's show you the film gate. First, let's open it up. So firstly, 6x6, that's your standard format. If we adjust it, 6x7, quite a different look. Then it can do 6x9, which is more of a standard crop, like your typical 2x3 aspect ratio. Then you've got 6x12, which is less common. That's like a 2x1 aspect ratio. Next up is 6x14. It's getting really long and thin now. We'll call this the Tommy Shelby. Stick around to the end. Yes, there is a reason I'm doing this beyond just introducing a new camera. And finally, 6x17, the panoramic or mohawk format of the system. It's an interesting camera. I think this is an early prototype. There's some refinements to be done, but let me know what you'd like to see tested. I have it for a little while here in Australia and then in Hong Kong. Now, in terms of the head shaving, I'm not sure that the mohawk really works for me. Let me clean it up a bit. Okay, so look, I was planning to shave my head to try and raise money for cancer charities. It's not the right time of year for the official fundraiser that they do, but I will set up a page and put details below. I recently lost my father to a number of things, but finally it was cancer. So no pressure, but if you'd like to make a donation to help with that, that will be fantastic. Let's clean it up. How's it? I wonder how ugly is my head shape, actually. I haven't shaved my head in like 25 years. Oh, by the way, heads. I have a new headshot course out. You can see details on that below. I imagine this is going to take a while to get looking right. So do let me know what you'd like to see tested on that medium format panoramic camera. Please do check out the cancer charity link below, as well as my new course. And let me know any questions you have. I'll see you soon with my new look back in Hong Kong. Please note that the sample images I shared in this video were actually shot on my Hasselblad X2D2 camera, not on film. I haven't gotten the film developed yet, but I will share the results with you once I have.